Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm inside of a GMC Acadia Denali. In this video, I want to show you how to pair your phone via Apple CarPlay. Sorry it's dark in here. It gets dark very quickly nowadays. But let's go ahead and hop right in. So what you're going to want to do when you're inside of your Acadia, you're going to find the Apple CarPlay option. Go ahead and click that. Click Pair Phone. Go over to your device, your cell phone. Click Settings. Go ahead and go into Bluetooth. Scroll all the way down and find your vehicle. So in this one, it's going to say select GMC 4970. And on the cell phone here, we're going to do the same thing. Now, it's great that this is on your phone and your vehicle, especially with the pairing numbers that you're going to click and click pair if you're pairing your phone at a dealership. Now, we'll go ahead and click allow, which I like to have, just so I can make phone calls and things. You can click don't allow if you don't want to make phone calls. So then you're going to click continue on your infotainment screen, click connect on your cell phone. And this is something newer I've seen. Check the vehicle display for any information related to this pairing. So then go over to your infotainment screen, go ahead and click enable, and it's going to pair your phone, and it's going to go right back to Bluetooth, just like that. Now, once it's topped in, it's going to cover this entire screen, just like that. So you have all of your apps. And a couple of cool things that I want to show you with the new iOS update is you can actually have many of widgets on your screen here. Now, I've done a few different vehicles, but this one, because of how massive this screen is, you can have 3 total widgets on your infotainment screen. Now, that's how you're able to pair Apple CarPlay on your GMC Acadia, whether it's the Elevation, HC4, Denali, or Denali Ultimate. Other than that, y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all on the next video.